That was literally the smoothest pass through Manila airport ever. Nelly, we're gonna miss our flight.
No.
Manila airport, it has been a minute. Guys, welcome to another vlog, starting off in Manila, ending up at a new destination. Today we are flying the first time since I think over a month.
Yeah.
And now that might not sound long to you, but to us it's a huge deal. We usually sit on an aeroplane like every 2 or 3 weeks, so now not flying over a month is really odd. And I can't wait to be above the clouds again. Today we're flying to Hong Kong for a special meetup. No, I'm just kidding. We're flying to Hong Kong for 2 days to just have a little short city trip, but we are doing a meetup this evening in Hong Kong, which I hope a few people will come. I mean, I know there's a lot of viewers from Hong Kong, but I don't know if many people have time. So it'll be exciting for me to see how many people actually make it to the meetup.
It will be like our first meetup.
Huh?
That feeling when
yeah,
first meetup,
exactly.
we'll be like, oh, we don't even know
Is anybody gonna come?
going to come.
So as per protocol, we travel to the arrivals area at Manila airport versus the departure area because the lines here are much shorter.
If you missed that video, how to survive Manila airport,
check it out. And today we actually got a very comfortable and luxurious travel day ahead of us because we're flying with Cathay Pacific, and being that we have the highest airline status with British Airways, which is One World, and Cathay Pacific belongs together with that, we get to go to the first class lounge here and in Hong Kong, so really cool. First things first, we're gonna go through security. Yes. We're all checked in already. We only have hand luggage. This is what Nelly's traveling with. And I literally have everything I need, clothes and camera gear in this one bag. Really cool.
This is my camera gear and work. This is my office. This is just a few clothes and toiletries. Yeah.
So traveling super light for these 2 days, which means we don't have to go to the check-in. We can just go straight through security. And when we arrive in Hong Kong, we can just walk straight out the airport. Really cool. That was literally the smoothest pass through Manila airport ever. Swooped up to the arrivals bay, no wait. Went up to check-in, no wait. Walked through immigration, security. It literally, this whole thing, since the last clip, I'll check the timestamp on the video file, but since the last clip till now, it's like 5 minutes. Max, 5 minutes. From arriving here to getting into the Terminal 3 actually, so cool. Now we're heading to the lounge. We're gonna have some breakfast, or should we get some coffee at Bluesmith first?
Yeah, let's have some breakfast. I'm not sure if they have the coffee at the lounge, so...
No. So we're gonna grab a quick coffee to go at Bluesmith because they have really decent coffee. Good coffee machine and cool guys working there. Just hope they're open already.
Show you the world, darling. Let's leave it all behind. We'll keep the sun shining and let it tell the time. Anywhere you wanna go, we'll show you my world.
I will say, guys, I really love it that Bluesmith opened up a few months ago here in Terminal 3. It is an absolute blessing to be able to get great coffee when you're in the airport early morning and all the other coffee shops are still closed. We can get our coffee fix right here. Coffee! Oh yeah!
Thank you.
Salamat.
Thanks a lot.
See you guys next time. So now we have to go to gate 114.
100. Oh, okay, that's close.
Wow, we've never been down here.
No, it's new. I wonder what there is on this side.
So Cathay Pacific lounges never disappoint. It's kind of like an a la carte food concept. So it's not like a buffet like in most lounges. It's a la carte. You order your food, you get like a little buzzer, and when it's ready, it buzzes.
Yeah.
And you know, coffee is a hard topic. If you have a barista here that have great coffee, but it's just impossible. So I'm happy we got the Blue Smith coffee shop downstairs. And a view of the runway. Nice.
Okay, so here we have noodle soup and then some dumplings.
Ooh.
1, 2,
Wow.
3. Oh, 4.
Cool.
Yes.
Nice.
Oh, so nice. Oh.
Breakfast, I guess.
So good.
And where we're dancing everything.
Hong Kong.
Yeah. This is a Manila airport experience like nothing else before. I mean, this is really nice. It's so comfortable, and I think in future we need to book more of these like one world tickets, because actually this flight that we booked was the cheapest flight that we could get from Manila to some international destination, and yeah, I mean, it's really cool. Get to chill out in the lounge.
Hello.
Nelly, we're gonna miss our flight.
No, we're not.
We're gonna miss our flight.
It's fine.
Come on now.
It's fine.
All right, flight was a little bit delayed, so we got to spend a little bit more time in this beautiful lounge. And now it's time to board. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you for being here this time.
So, time to head to the gate, 1:15, and have a awesome flight to Hong Kong. Actually, I was planning on working on the flight, editing this vlog actually, but we had so much time in the lounge that I was able to edit the vlog up until this point, and now I can literally enjoy the flight, finish off the vlog when I'm sitting in the train in Hong Kong or something like that. So nice. Should we take the stairs? No? Okay.
I'm not taking the stairs because I don't feel like carrying my stuff.
Oh yeah, because you're traveling for like 5 weeks. I forgot that you're traveling
You
for
can
like
be
5 weeks.
so thankful that I'm a very easygoing girlfriend. I'm traveling super light.
Everybody comment down below if this is super light for 2
Okay,
days.
this is my
For
office.
2 days.
This is my office,
2
and this
days.
is just clothes.
Also, you're producing a video.
Yes.
Okay. I will eagerly await your Hong Kong video.
I will take pictures and work from the laptop and
Oh, wait.
do stuff.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
Work never stops.
If you want to have your pretty clothes in your bag, it's fine. You don't have to justify it to anybody.
You're trying to make it look like I'm.
Another really nice thing about our airline status is
Skipping the line.
no lines ever. We can always go to the first class boarding lane. We can go to the first class lounge, first class check-in, first class everything, and you achieve a status by just sticking with one alliance and keep on flying with them as much as possible, and then you gradually get a higher status. And we both have the highest status by some very smart booking techniques, if I might say so myself.
finally all the flying paid off.
We just touched down in Hong Kong. Thank you guys for joining us on this travel day. If you enjoyed this brisk little travel video, please let us know in the comments down below, and by hitting that thumbs up button. If you loved the video, of course subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We'll see you guys in the next vlog, which will be us exploring Hong Kong, maybe doing a meetup with some Filipino OFWs here in Hong Kong. Let's see how many people come this evening. In any case, I am excited to be back in Hong Kong and to explore a little bit more. I'll see you guys in the next vlog, same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome.
Be positive.
And make it happen. Bye-bye.